So now let us talk about the next option, targeting. All right.
Click on these three lines and then click on increase view. All right.
When you click on creative, when you have selected on your video that you want to use for your TikTok ad. So let me use this for an example. All right, can you see choose a promotion pack? All right, then I'm going to click on customize. So under customize, can you see now this is select creatives, where I selected the video I want to use, right? And then after that we have custom promotion. Okay, so can you see okay, as I told you earlier, I should click on get leads. So, and under get leads we are clicking on more message and more TikTok messages. So can you see what TikTok told me, that I'm going to have about 27 to 92 click, right? So probably there's an assurance that I'm going to have more than this. Okay, then the next one we have define your audience. So can you see default audience, right? So I'm going to beg you that never choose this default audience. You don't want all the northerners, people that are not interested on your products to message you. Never click on default audience. Are we together? Never click on default audience. The best you can choose is to click on custom. So this default audience is only going to show your ad to northerners, people that are not even interested in what you are selling, or to your followers on TikTok. So what you need to do is to click on custom, right? So under this custom we have gender, right? This is where you need to select either your product is for male or female, or it is for everybody, right? Both male and female. So you leave it at all, right? Okay, you leave it at all. So, and then the next one is age. So never click on all, it won't give you the best results. And then never click on 18 to 24. I'm going to explain.
Because if you click on 18 to 24, TikTok is going to show your ad to people that are not even interested.
So if you click on 18 to 24, TikTok is going to show your ad to people that they are not eligible to buy from you. All right, so the best option, the best age for you to click is 25 to 34. All right, you can click from this 25 to 34 and above. Let's say you want to sell for people older than that, right? It's still good, but below 25, you don't need to click it, so that if you don't want to waste your money, don't click that. All right, so now we've selected our age 25 to 34. You can click above that, but that's the best age you need to pick, 25 to 35. Then let us now go to the interest part. All right, this interest, don't click on all, right? Are we together? Don't click on all if you don't want people that are not interested in what you are selling to patronize you, to bombard your DM with unnecessary message. So I recommend you, I'm going to give you the 5 best interests that you need to pick. I'm going to make another video on this interest, on how to make your video reach out to the people that are interested to buy from you. To attract rebuyers. So number one thing you need to click here is to click on this tech and electronics one. Click on these apps, and then click on this apparel and accessories. Then you click on news and entertainment, right? Then the next one is to click on business services rather. Then the list you need to click here is e-commerce, non-app. So these are the number 5 interests that you need to click if you want your ad to reach the right people click these 5 interests I selected here: tech and electronics, app, apparel and accessories, news and entertainment, then business services, e-commerce, non-app. These are the real people. If your niche, maybe whatever you are selling is not under this, let's assume that you are selling a baby and kids products, don't bother yourself. Just click on this, what I selected here. Just click on this. If you are selling household products, don't click on it. Just click on this 5 that I selected here. This 5 is going to direct you to the right audience, to the real people that are ready to patronize you. With this interest I selected for you, is going to show your ad to people that are interested to buy from you. In my next video, I will talk about the main targeting you must use in your video to get your perfect customers on TikTok adverts. In my next video, I'm going to tell you how to make your video to reach your perfect customers on TikTok. All right. So, but selecting your interest, this is the 5 best interests that you need to select for your TikTok advert to reach the right audience. If you want more breakdown and then retargeting strategies that actually brings buyers, make sure you hit the subscriber button so that you don't miss my next video. Are we together? So after selecting this, then you will click on save. Okay, you will click on save. As I said earlier, the best age that you need to select is from 25 to 34 upward, right? And then if your target audience are only female, select female alone. And if it's only male, select male alone. And if it is all genders, select all. All right. Then never click on default audience, click on custom, and so that TikTok can show your ad to real buyers that are going to patronize you and buy from you. Okay. So here are the 5 interests, the best interests for you to select, right? Don't click on all, don't click on education, don't click on vehicles and transportation. You just select these 5 interests that I selected in this video. With this, you are going to reach the right audience that's ready to buy from you. I'll be using this and it works so perfectly. Okay, so after that, then you click on save. So this is where we're going to hold it. So watch out for my next video. I will talk about the main targeting you must use in your video, all right, to get the right perfect customers to buy from you. Thank you for watching this video. Till we see next time. Peace.